Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little Tallulah, and I thought I would just do a haul video today. This is what came in from the UK. So I got two things, which I'm like, yay, because my next collab starts. So I'm so excited for one of them. I was like, oh no, it's not gonna get here on time, but it arrived today. Okay, so Hunky Dory. I got this Hunky Dory box. It's issue 5, their box. You can get this. This is a createandcraft.com order. You can always go to their website. You can also, they also have a YouTube channel, Hunky Dory does, and a Facebook group. It's like they have everything, just, you know, most companies have all the social media. And so I got this. And I love Hunky Dory stuff. I'm so glad that I was introduced to it because their stuff is just fabulous and at such a great price. This box, I believe, was, let me look, well, it was $14.99, but I get a discount. So it's $13.50 for everything that's in here. And it actually is a box, issue 5, and you get all of this stuff in it. So, let me show you the goodness. Love it, love it, love it. First, you get, obviously, the magazine. So you get this little magazine, and it's got all these projects in it. Gives you some, shows you some of their products. Shows you how to use your free gifts. There's step-by-step projects in here, which is always fun. I love that. I need to make another one of these boxes. I love them. I don't know why I haven't made one in a while. So you get this magazine. Fabulous. Shows you all kinds of stuff. What's coming up. Look at this one. How cool is that? So, gotta love that. And what I'll probably end up doing is looking through it and then giving it away. Because, you know, I don't really keep the magazines. Look at them for a while, and then go. All right, then they give you 2 kits. They give you 2 mini kits of their papers, and I'll show you what these kits are. I'll just start this way. So you get toppers, which these are so fun to make stuff with. And it makes it so quick, but it looks fabulous because look at all the detail in them. Wonderful. And then you have this one. So if you look in the magazine, it shows you some projects with it. Awesome. And then you get your little papers. Okay. And these, the only thing I don't like about these are they're waxy. And it's hard to get stuff to stick to them, but they're very cute. So you get some of those thinner papers. Then you get the insert papers. And these you could definitely stamp on and so forth. Because they're not coated, but nice weight. Then they give you some of their card, which is thick as a mug. Look at that. You hear that? So they give you these. And I like the way they design their card because you could use the whole piece, or you could use, you know, take this off, take that off, create something in here. So you don't have to just use the whole piece as one sheet. You can die cut it. Like here you have this scene. So this could be the front of your card. You could use this for accents somewhere else, or you could just squirt it in half and make it the card base, which is awesome. And then this here. Okay, so then you have the second collection, which is this one. And I love this tone. All right, then you have this. The whole air balloons. Okay, then you get your insert papers again. But once again, you could use these for matting and layering if you wanted to. I wish they would sell this. They might, I don't know. They sell that paper just by itself. And then you have the thick card for this one. Oh no, this is the shiny stuff. So you have that one. And that's what it looks like on the back. This one. here's the card. So pretty. And I like their designs. They just have fabulous designs. Like this is awesome right here. Excuse me. So that is the 2 sets of gifts. Then you get a stamp set, an embossing folder, and a die. So they package it up in this little kit, so I'll have to open it for you. If I can get it open. I can't get it open, y'all. Okay, there we go. So here are the stamps. See the little beach theme going on here. Try to get that glare off. To the beach. Wish you were here. Is that not cute? Totally. Then you have this, which I thought was so fabulous. You just, an embossing folder sets the scene for you. You could just run that through, do your little inks on it. There you go. So fab. And then you have this die set. And what I like about it, they usually give you really small dies. You'll get a lot of them, but little small dies. But I like that this one, oops, is actually pretty good size. And look how much detail is in there. So instead of just giving you an outline die or whatever, they put all this detail in there. Then you got some clouds. Yay. Love that. And then that's what it looks like on the front. Okay, so that was the Hunky Dory kit. And then the last thing I got was the Neo-Victoriana CD-ROM. Yes. See all that goodness? Steampunk, steampunk. And what they have is, they had the squares and all this kind of stuff, so you have some charisma on there for those dies. But then you have all of this. So awesome. For steampunk. And of course, you know, my steampunk collab is either going on right now or about to start by the time you see this video. So, includes charisma artwork for the Neo-Victoriana collection. Yes! Alright, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.